Hey, this is proof that you are totally mean to your son.
Hey! Ow! Ouch! You never.
What?
Dad hit me.
And who do we call when Daddy hits us? Huh? The C...
The CPS.
Yeah.
Hello?
Do you remember what CPS
Hello?
stands for?
Child Protective Services. Child Protective Services. I need your help. My dad's being mean to me. Ooh, and he almost kicked me right in the push, right in the peewee. So could you please help me? Bye.
Hey, your peewee's back here.
When you kick.
What's this?
Hey! You guys are aware I'm filming, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I might actually put this somewhere where other people might see it. Ooh. Okie dokie. I got the chills.
You man or mouse?
Mouse.
Sweet.
Jump up and down, Ben. I want to see how tall you can jump.
Really high. Bend your knees. When you come back down, bend your knees and come back up. Like that. You gotta do it fast.
Frog. Run on the spot.
Pick your legs up. Hey, when you run like this. Not on the thing, you nerd.
He's not a nerd. I'm a nerd.
Right. Maybe I should take that nerd test.
Come on, you haven't done it for long.